satisfaction. What's up?
So we need to see if this guy's inside your apartment.
Who else is in here?
My sister. No, I really don't. You really don't.
Body cam footage from Williamson County revealed a shocking encounter where deputies threw a 20-year-old domestic violence victim to the ground and handcuffed her, despite her being the one in need of protection. This overzealous act likely violated the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. The victim, visibly distressed with marks on her neck, repeatedly refused to cooperate, citing distrust in Williamson County deputies due to their really bad reputation. Instead of de-escalating, the deputies used excessive force, ignoring her cries of pain and pleas not to be touched.
I have to.
Yeah, I'm glad you did. Which one is she? What's her name?
Do I need to do anything? Maybe yes.
Yeah, I'll talk to y'all in a second.
I'm going down with you.
Hey, let me talk to you real quick.
Yeah.
Do you need EMS?
No, I'm fine.
Come out here. Come out here.
I really don't want to deal with y'all people.
All right, well, we'll make sure you're okay.
I'm fine.
1636 County, we're code 4. She does not need EMS. So what happened?
Nothing.
Look up for me. What's on your neck? What happened?
Nothing happened.
So I have witnesses saying something happened. So you're trying to protect him?
No, I just really don't like dealing with y'all. I really don't want to deal with y'all. I really don't.
Okay. So...
I don't need to talk to y'all. I really don't.
Do you have your ID on you or anything?
No, I don't.
So what's your last name? How do you spell your first name?
Why do you need all this stuff?
Because we have to document that we're here.
Okay.
Okay. Where is the guy that allegedly, I mean,
I don't know where he's at. I don't.
So he left?
He left.
Does he live in this apartment complex?
No, he does not.
You don't know which way he went?
I don't know, and if I did, I wouldn't tell you.
1636K94, victim's advising she does not know which way he went. So, were y'all, I'm trying to figure out why your friends called the cops.
What friend?
Or your witnesses, whoever was over here that called us.
Okay.
So what?
We got into an argument.
Okay.
That's it. Literally.
Okay. It was nothing physical?
Nothing physical.
Where are the marks on your neck from?
We got into my necklace right here.
No, this right here. What is that from?
Does it really matter?
Yes.
It doesn't.
To make sure you're okay.
I'm fine, ma'am.
So?
I'm fine. Like literally, I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I get a rash talking to y'all. I do not want to talk to you, and especially Williamson County. Y'all have a really bad reputation. I've bad encounters with y'all. I do not.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
I know you aren't. Ma'am.
Okay.
Really
So we need your cooperation.
I know, and I'm.
Do you want to press charges?
I do not.
Okay.
No, I do not.
Is there anyone else in the
My
apartment
sister
with you?
is here.
Okay. Can I talk to her?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait.
You wanna
No.
go get?
No, I really don't want you to talk.
Okay. Well,
It's none of her
if she
business.
wants to talk to me, that I can talk to her.
She does not want to talk.
How do I know that?
Because I told her that she has nothing to do with this.
Okay, well, let me try to make contact with her. Do you want to go back inside for the time
No,
being?
I don't. I really don't.
Okay,
It's
well then
literally-
step over here
No.
for me. So what's the deal?
What is your problem?
I'm trying to figure out what's going on
I'm trying
here.
to tell you, ma'am. She had nothing to do with this. I called her after because
Who
I
called
want
the
my-
cops?
I didn't call the cops.
I'm asking who called the cops, guys.
Those people, I don't know.
You don't know them?
I don't know them. I never met those people in my life.
Okay.
I don't know them.
Have y'all been arguing before? Like
No,
why are
no.
people concerned then? That's the thing.
I've never, no.
Okay. What's your sister's name?
She's my sister.
Are you sure she's not the one that called the cops? It was either them or your sister that called the cops. I was
my
worried.
sister.
Okay. Well, if you want to just go back inside for the time being, and then I'm gonna meet up with my partners and see what's going on.
Thank you.
So, I got her name and date of birth. She doesn't want to be cooperative. I see some marks on her neck that might be fresh. She's saying she's denying medical attention. She said she didn't want to talk to us. Sister doesn't want to talk. They live in here. So. She's like, I don't even want y'all in my house. I'm like, well, we gotta find the guy. that allegedly did this. So she didn't give direction, travel, description, anything. She's like, he left, I don't know where he went.
Third level, Dickerson.
Satisfaction.
So we need to see if this guy's inside your apartment.
Who else is in here?
My sister, no, I really don't. You really don't. Okay, I'm not doing. Why are you? Why? Okay, well stop. Let go of me. Let go of me, please. Relax. I just want to go. Stop. I'm not doing.
Relax.
Sir, I don't have to. Please, no. Go in with him. Go in with him.
No, you stay here.
You need to go in with him.
Okay, stop.
Just stop. I don't trust. I just want to go in. Stop.
Listen to
Don't stop refusing!
I'm not doing anything.
Relax.
I'm not doing anything. Relax. Oh my gosh, you're a psycho. I'm not doing anything. Stop moving. I'm not doing anything. Just stop. Just lay there. Please, just lay there. I'm not doing anything. Guys, stop.
victim is being detained.
Our father, we're going to follow the enemy. They can't do what we've done on our deaths. Please get these demons off me. Oh my goodness. Please help me. Please. Get off of me. I don't need to touch me like this. Please.
All right, man, you're gonna have to calm down. It's running your mouth. Calm down.
Listen.
Okay? You understand? You need to understand how we can talk to you.
Yes.
Okay, quit talking.
Please let me get up, please.
Quit talking.
You're hurting.
Quit talking.
Calm down.
Shut your mouth and quit talking. Okay? And I can talk to you and let you know why we're doing what we're doing and what's going on. Regardless of whether or not you want to cooperate,
Please
we're going to do what we need to do.
Call the attorney.
Lay there! Please, just lay there.
Relax so we can talk to you.
Call our attorney. Call the attorney right now. Call the lawyer right now.
Listen,
Relax so we can talk to you.
we're just trying to talk to you and make sure you're okay. Because we're not trying to hurt you.
You're hurting me though. You're
We're
hurting
not
me more
trying to
than
hurt you.
I wasn't hurt before and you're hurting me.
You're gonna
I haven't
relax.
felt pain and you're making me feel pain.
Relax.
Relax. Where are you hurting? Where
You're
are you
hurting my arms. You're hurting my. You're literally putting so much pressure on me.
Oh. You to relax though.
I was relaxed
I was just trying to talk to you.
and I didn't want to talk to
Let
you.
her up.
That's it.
Please, okay.
Side.
There we go.
Roll over.
Just want to relax, okay?
Hold on here over there. Do not get up. Stay seated. Stay with her.
Do you need medical attention? Okay.
Y'all have that. Y'all have the worst reputation.
We're just trying to talk to her.
This incident underscores a grave misuse of power, where officers violated the rights of a vulnerable individual, turning a call for help into a traumatic ordeal. Tennessee Code, annotated 38-3-11103, mandates that officers shall use only the force that is reasonably necessary to accomplish their mission. Yet, the victim's statements like, "You're hurting me," and "You're making it so much worse," reveal a clear violation of this standard, as deputies physically restrained her without justification. Her refusal to allow a search of her apartment, rooted in fear and prior negative experiences, was met with force rather than empathy, betraying the role of law enforcement as protectors. This incident reflects a broader issue of systemic mistrust, where heavy-handed tactics deepen community skepticism, particularly in handling domestic violence cases.
She's gonna just stay over there for me.
It's your fault. Just sit there. Nothing's your fault. Get over it. It's not
Listen.
your fault, dude. Okay, just stop.
We were here.
But you're not helping me. You're making it so much worse.
We tried to come help you.
I'm not hurt.
Okay.
Okay.
Just sit there.
Don't touch me. I don't know.
Stop.
Don't,
Sit.
don't touch me. Please, just get your hands off me. I'm fine.
Can you
Just don't touch me. Please.
Please don't touch her.
Don't touch me.
I understand.
So like, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. That's what we're all trying to figure.
understand. She's overreacting. Just please, okay? I'm on your side. Just don't move. Don't talk. Okay? You're making things worse for yourself. Stop. Enough is enough. Okay? Enough is enough. It's time to get out of this situation. Okay?
Why would you go in someone's place? Stop. Stop.
1636 to 1442. Are you calling me?
I'm so over this, dude. Like, these people are psycho. I've heard about Williamson County.
We came here to
Y'all weren't even supposed to go into my apartment. Y'all, with what? I'm literally gonna press charges on y'all.
We have a possible felony.
Possible felony
Yes.
for what? For who? He's not here, I'm telling you.
But you don't know where he went?
I don't know where he went. Lady.
Okay.
Like, what? Oh my God. Oh my God. These people would do anything to get money. Like, what? No, dude, this is ridiculous. You're so close-minded. Like, what?
Okay.
You're good.
Sit back inside. We're bring back.
Okay. Here, stand up.
Keep calling when
Stand
you
up.
try to cuff.
I need to get my phone. I need to get my phone.
What are you trying to
I'm
get?
getting my phone. I got it.
Okay, get on your feet.
You can understand where you're in handcuffs right now?
So what happened? We were trying to talk, right? That's all we were trying to do?
Hey, so I'm gonna take
Is there
these
a light in
handcuffs
here?
off you.
How do you turn the light
Are we
on?
gonna be cool if we take these handcuffs off?
The light's not on. It's not on.
That's how I call this. All right, ma'am. So I wasn't here with information to relate to you. When we come to stuff like this, we're going to check for safety reasons, okay? We're gonna make sure he's not here and you're not hiding him. We understand you don't want to cooperate. We can't force you to do that. We get that. We understand that. But you don't do what you just did. Not when we show up for something like this. We don't get your cooperation. That is what happens.
Yes.
Okay? All this screaming does not make us stop. Okay? It only makes us get you secure faster. Okay? Is my understanding you do not want to cooperate, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we know who he is. We're going to find him eventually. He comes back over here for whatever reason. You're having to call because he's continuing to do what he's going to do. We're going to take him to jail. Understand those circumstances that y'all put yourselves in, and y'all make us have to deal with those issues. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you injured?
No.
Okay.
Do you need medical attention? Do you need EMS?
I'm good. I'm great.
Okay. Next time in the future, when we show up, you don't have the right to do that. Keep us out of your house. You do not.
Can you tell me why exactly? Like, what's
Because we're here,
What are my legal rights? Can you tell me my legal rights? What are my rights?
What are your legal rights?
Can you tell my legal
We're showing
rights?
up to a domestic disturbance. We're here to
Like, can you
check
tell me
you.
what the protocol is? Like, why do I have to let y'all come in without me even saying?
I'm trying to explain to you, but you're interrupting me.
sorry.
You're gonna stop
I'm
talking
sorry.
so I can tell you. I just told you. We have to do a welfare check and make sure all persons are secure in this house, do not need medical attention, and most importantly, he is not in here. When we have an individual such as yourself that's not wanting to cooperate, 9 times out of 10, it's because he's in here. Okay? That's always not the case. He may have jumped out, he may have left, he may have been somewhere else. We may have missed him in here. Who knows? Okay? That's how that works. Do you have any further questions?
No, sir.
Do you have any further questions? Okay? Understand all that drama, all that screaming does not help y'all situation.
No.
Okay? We have a job to do. Whether you understand it in the moment, I don't care. We hope you understand after the fact. If you're listening, like we're talking right now, then we'll go ahead and inform you the best we can. Okay? So, what is going to happen from here on out? You live here, correct?
I live here, yes.
Ma'am, you live here?
I live down the street.
Okay. Are you going to stay here with her or are you going to leave?
I'm gonna have to stay here with her.
Okay. What happens if he comes back? Obviously, she's going to put you.
I don't know.
Are you fearful of him, of his actions? Okay. I would suggest you not be here. If she doesn't care about your safety, you don't need to be here. But if that's how y'all live, that's the understanding y'all have, do what y'all need to do. Okay. Do you want to leave now while we're here, or are you going to stay here with us?
I'm gonna stay.
Okay.
And
Do
you
have
made a
any
statement out there that you wanted
Okay.
to die.
No,
Are
no,
you
like
feeling
that.
suicidal?
No. I swear to God, I'm great.
Okay.
I was just in that moment. I'm just.
Okay. I understand you're upset, but like he said, you cannot. I don't want to go hands-on with you. I'm here to help you, okay? Okay.
Following public outcry and the viral spread of the body cam footage, the Williamson County Sheriff's Office terminated Deputy Lorenzo Hernandez for excessive force, aligning with Tennessee Code, Section 38-8121, which states, officers found to have engaged in conduct unbecoming of an officer or in violation of department policy may face disciplinary action, including termination. Recent updates confirm the victim won a $200,000 settlement in a federal lawsuit against Williamson Williamson County finalized in December 2022 for the assault by Hernandez during the September 2019 incident. Hernandez pleaded guilty to official oppression, receiving 6 months of probation. The Texas Rangers and Williamson County District Attorney's Office investigated, and while no further criminal charges were filed as of the latest reports, the settlement marks a significant step toward accountability. This case highlights the importance of holding officers accountable to restore trust and ensure justice for victims. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.